Have you ever tried to connect a SIM card to your iPhone, only to be met with failure? One of the many issues reported with the latest iPhone models is the iPhone does not support SIM card error. If you encounter this issue while trying to use your iPhone, resolving this error message will allow you to use your iPhone without SIM card restrictions. This video will provide multiple steps to help you resolve the not supported SIM card issue on your iPhone 14, 15 or 16 and unlock your iPhone SIM card. You need to ensure that the SIM card is properly inserted into your iPhone. When inserting the SIM card into your device, carefully inspect the SIM card tray and ensure that the SIM card is oriented according to the provided instructions. Open your iOS device's settings and go to the General Settings section, then scroll down and find the Shutdown option to turn off your device. After waiting a few seconds, use your iPhone's power button to turn it back on. Incompatible software versions can also cause SIM card-related issues. After opening your iPhone's settings, proceed to the General section and look for the Software Update option on the following screen. Here your iPhone will check for pending updates. If so, tap the Update Now button to start the update process. Find the Settings app on your iPhone and then go to the General Settings. Then find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Now tap the Reset button and then select Reset Network Settings from the pop-up menu. Now enter your iDevice passcode to confirm the network settings reset. Any Unlock iPhone passcode unlocker can unlock your iPhone's SIM card lock, allowing you to enjoy any carrier service without SIM card restrictions. Regardless of whether your SIM card is supported or valid, you can bypass SIM locks from all carriers, including AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, and more, in minutes without data loss. Additionally, Any Unlock, a complete iOS unlocking tool, allows you to unlock screen passcodes, unlock your Apple ID, bypass MDM restrictions, bypass activation lock, find your Apple ID and more. Firstly, install the latest version of Any Unlock, then open it, and tap the Remove SIM Lock panel. Now connect your iPhone with the SIM card to your computer and go to Start Now option. Then confirm your device information and jailbreak status. If your iPhone is jailbroken, tap Remove Now to proceed. If not, then follow the on-screen instructions to jailbreak first and then remove it. Now forget this network on your iPhone, then the removal process will begin. Keep your device connected. After a while, your SIM lock will be successfully removed, and you can regain full access to mobile apps. The above are 5 simple and effective ways to solve the problem of Apple SIM card not supported iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.